The cytoskeleton is usually an underrated organelle, but I say no more to that. Without the cytoskeleton, the cell would be a completely disorganized mess, and there would be no movement of other organelles. This organelle helps control the movement of every single other one in the cell. Without it, everything would be stationary and no other jobs could get done. The cytoskeleton is made up of three main things: microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. This structure type makes the cytoskeleton extremely reliable because of the different backups it contains and the many different jobs that can be carried out through these components. Still not convinced? The cytoskeleton also holds power to aid in the division and reproduction of other organelles and cells. Without this extremely useful organelle, the cell would be full of old or dying ones that would be no good for the cell. While most of the other organelles actually follow the saying, little organ, the cytoskeleton should be called something even stronger. The other parts of the cell only have 1 or 2 jobs, while the cytoskeleton has 4. How can someone think that wouldn't be the most important organelle? If you're still deciding on who to vote for, and these reasons still aren't enough for you, maybe we should tell you why the other organelles are unfit for the job. Lysosomes, for example. Lysosomes are just small garbage cans that throw out trash. Anyone can do that. And not to mention the mitochondria. They claim to be the powerhouse of the cell, yet they are the powerhouse of a couple baby diseases, including, but not limited to, mitochondria, myopathy, neuropathy, ataxia, retinitis pigmentosa, ptosis, and diabetes. Now to sling on those praiseworthy proteins. Everyone thinks they're so great, but if they were truly that amazing, why are there so many of them to get only a couple of jobs done? Ribosomes. Sure, they make all those proteins, but you know what else they make? Mutated proteins. Ribosomes can cause Tracher-Collins syndrome, a developmental condition that affects the facial tissues that are caused by those treacherous ribosomes creating bad proteins.